I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. I had a behemoth of a breakfast with 3 eggs over easy, 2 pieces of beef bacon, and some oatmeal with blackberries and honey. This has 34 grams of protein and 602 calories. This is the first time that I've had beef bacon, and it was kind of interesting. It tasted kind of like shaved ribeye that you would find on a cheesesteak. It was nice after work, so I decided to go for a little walk, and just seeing the bags under my eyes through the sunglasses, damn, I'm getting old. When I got home, I had a double dose of cottage cheese, adding 26 grams of protein and 240 calories. For dinner, I had 3 flounder fillets with some roasted potatoes and some broccolini that I absolutely obliterated. It was cooked so poorly that I think I owe it an apology. This has 45 grams of protein and 566 calories. Now, I'm a savory over sweet gal, but I had the rare sweet tooth, so I decided to make one of these dates with a little bit of peanut butter, flaky salt, and some 86% chocolate. This adds on 3 grams of protein and 152 calories. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like a little turd, but trust me, it tastes kind of like a Reese. And I know what that tastes like, because that's why I have to do this series. I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. I'm taking the day off from eggs, so tuna at 8 a.m. it is. Better, right? I made this tuna salad with some of the Safe Catch tuna, a little light mayo, a diced pickle, some pickled jalapenos, some chopped up pistachios, salt, pepper, and of course, hot sauce. I'm adding it to one of these Dave's buns, and this has 44 grams of protein and 430 calories. I was a little hungry later on, so I had one of these pre-made shakes, adding 26 grams of protein and 170 calories. And finally, dinner. I actually started on this eye of round yesterday and let it cook for a full 24 hours. It's a super cheap cut of meat for the size that you get and requires a lot of love. I served this up over some mashed potatoes along with some broccolini, and I made this sauce with some red wine and the drippings. Honestly, my sauce skills need a little bit of work. This comes in at 94 grams of protein and 1,212 calories, bringing my day total to 164 grams of protein and 1,812 calories. I know, mashed potatoes aren't healthy. You're right, technically, but this series is about moderation. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. Today was a big day of eating, and breakfast started with 2 eggs with egg whites, cottage cheese, kimchi, some blueberries, raspberries, and some kiwi. This comes in at 36 grams of protein and 448 calories. The berries are definitely out of season, but we'll make do. Moving on to lunch, I made some chicken nuggies by cubing up a whole chicken breast and air frying it with a little bit of cornstarch and seasoning. This has 87 grams of protein and 528 calories. I had it with some of the sugar-free barbecue that's 10 calories per serving, so tack that on as well. And finally, moving on to dinner, I got this whole sirloin and I cut it into steaks. I vacuum sealed most of them, and then I decided to season a few and toss them in the sous vide. I'm serving the steak up with a big baked potato with a little butter and sour cream, so calm down, along with some roasted Brussels sprouts with hot honey. This meal has 105 grams of protein and 1,460 calories, bringing my day total to 228 grams of protein and 2,446 calories. I've heard you all, and I'll be trying to increase my caloric intake. Even at a max of 2,500, I'm still in a very large deficit for my size. With that being said, there may be days I don't come anywhere near that, just with how busy I am, just so you know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. My wife was talking about wanting some of these egg bites from Starbucks, to which I said we have Starbucks at home, so I made a dozen. These come in at 68 calories each and 8 grams of protein. I had 4, totaling 32 grams of protein and 272 calories. A lot of people have been asking for an update on the weight, and that's coming Friday, so stay tuned. A little bit later, I had some of these Wild Planet sardines, adding on 170 calories and 18 grams of protein. Someone in the comments recently told me to try sardines with mustard, and I did, and in the immortal words of circa 2004 American Idol's Randy Jackson, that's gonna be a no from me, dog. For dinner, I decided to smoke a whole chicken on a bed of carrots, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and red onions, going in with some olive oil and salt, pepper, garlic. If I had some fresh thyme, that would have also been a nice addition. Threw it all in a cast iron and set the chicken on top that was seasoned up as well, and tossed it on the smoker until golden brown and delicious, and then I plated it up. This comes in at 99 grams of protein and 1,176 calories, bringing my day total to 149 grams of protein and 1,618 calories. I know the calories are low, but nothing was very calorie dense and I was feeling full. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. Today started with 2 eggs and some egg whites, cottage cheese, some slices of tomato, seasoned of course, kiwi, and a couple of strawberries. This comes in at 63 grams of protein and 620 calories. Breakfast was pretty good, but honestly I'm getting kind of tired of eggs. Also had to run some errands today, so while I was out I grabbed a pack of these cashews, so tack on 320 calories and 10 grams of protein. Moving on to dinner, I made some of these honey garlic roasted carrots, and I served that up on some quinoa and 2 large smoked chicken breasts. This comes in at 152 grams of protein and 1,223 calories, bringing my day total to 225 grams of protein and 2,163 calories. This was a lot of quinoa and my carrots were a little underdone, but the chicken was great. And as per usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. Started with the breakfast sando on one of these Dave's buns with some shavacado, some turkey bacon, and an egg with hot sauce. This has 410 calories and 12 grams of protein. I added some cottage cheese and 2 more pieces of turkey bacon, adding 17 grams of protein and 190 calories. And a massive thank you to all of you for 40K on the tube, and the talk ain't far behind. While it looks like those are thriving, the phone is barely surviving. Later on I was feeling a little peckish, so I decided to try some of these smoked mussels, and I regret it. These aren't for me, but we finished them adding 18 grams of protein and 160 calories. Thankfully the cat got the one that fell, because I don't think I could handle seeing the one that bonded with the floor for any period of time. For dinner, I used a recipe for a sweet potato bowl with some ground beef by this absolute unit. I just changed it up slightly and went with sweet potatoes and no cilantro in the sauce. It's not that I think this is more optimal, it's just because I had sweet potatoes and my wife doesn't like cilantro. Obviously, this guy knows more about nutrition than me. Based on how much I added to my bowl, this comes in at 59 grams of protein and 879 calories. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's kind of crazy how good ground beef goes on sweet potatoes. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. I had breakfast nice and early around 1 p.m. consisting of eggs, egg whites, 2 grilled chicken sausages, some blackberries, and enough tomatoes to make any picky eater uncomfortable. This has 59 grams of protein and 672 calories. A little bit later on I had some pistachios, adding 202 calories and 7 grams of protein. The weather was nice, so I took a walk around the neighborhood before dinner. For dinner, I had leftovers. We had friends over yesterday and I made a taco bar for them. I didn't feel like filming, but yes, I stayed under calories for the day. So today I'm having some of the leftovers. I've got some chicken thigh that I marinated with some adobo sauce and spices and then grilled, some guacamole, some red onions that I pickled in lime juice, a little bit of corn that I threw on the grill, some lettuce, black beans because everybody's always talking about how I don't get enough fiber. There you go, on some rice. This has 52 grams of protein and 756 calories. I'm fasting for the whole day tomorrow, so there won't be a video, but I'll be back Tuesday. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. Breakfast started with a chunk of this sirloin, some air-fried sweet potatoes, and guess what? More f***ing eggs. But I didn't mind the eggs with this combo. Protein comes in at 62 grams and 842 calories. A few hours later, I had one of these Chomps meat sticks as a snack, adding on 10 grams of protein and 100 calories. And finally, moving on to dinner, I made this kind of hamburger helper thing with some protein pasta and a cottage cheese sauce with lean ground beef and broccoli. I had a large bowl of this coming in at 81 grams of protein and 964 calories, bringing my day total to 153 grams of protein and 1,906 calories. I would like to play around with this one a little bit more, maybe change it up some, but overall I was happy with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's everything that I ate yesterday. I was in a rush, so breakfast was quick and simple with 3 eggs and egg whites, cottage cheese, and some blueberries. This has 43 grams of protein and 517 calories. Am I sick of eggs? Yes, but are they quick and easy to make? Also yes. I didn't have time for lunch, nor was I really hungry, so moving on to dinner, I wanted some beef and broccoli, but I also wanted to avoid takeout, so I made it myself. I used some sirloin since that's what I had and served it up over some rice, and this comes in at 78 grams of protein and 1,206 calories, bringing my day total to 121 grams of protein and 1,723 calories. I have my first weight check on Friday and I'm pretty excited. Even if I haven't lost anything, I'll still be happy because I feel a lot better due to the better food choices that I'm making, so I'll count that as a win. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. I still had some of the sourdough from the other day and I toasted a piece of it up, and then I made this tomato jam and snuck some spinach in there, and then once that was done I added some ricotta to my toast and then my tomato jam. This has 20 grams of protein and 471 calories. I also want to say a massive thank you to everyone for 25,000 subs here on YouTube. The encouragement has been unreal, and who knows what that number will go to next. Moving on to dinner, I had a vision for a garbage plate that wasn't actually garbage. I sliced up some sweet potato fries and then added them to a bowl along with some seasoning, and then I air fried them. Next, I cubed up a chicken breast, gave it a hot sauce binder and some seasonings, and then I threw it in the air fryer along with the sweet potato fries. Once that was almost done, I added some cheddar cheese and then put it on a plate along with some guacamole, some sour cream, some pickled jalapenos, and some pickled red onions. This comes in at 109 grams of protein and 1,272 calories, bringing my day total to 129 grams of protein and 1,743 calories. Absolutely no complaints with this meal other than the fact that it looks like slop, but slop with better choices. Again, thank you so much for the 25K, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's everything I ate today to try to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit. Breakfast started with 2 eggs, egg whites. I only ate one of these sausages, but cottage cheese, some avocado, and kiwi. This has 57 grams of protein and 692 calories. And while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and show you the little one's plate since I had it close by. I was off today, so I decided to go fishing, and I caught nothing. Moving on to dinner, I made this tomato cottage cheese sauce thing with protein pasta, and I had a steak thawed out, so I figured why not. This has 101 grams of protein and 1,209 calories, bringing my day total to 158 grams of protein and 1,901 calories. This was pretty good, no complaints. Also, I posted my first month weigh-in on Friday, so be sure to go check that out. And thanks for watching.